Hi students, this is a video lesson on the order of operations. Remember we had started doing order of operations in school before school closed for COVID-19. So I'll go through it and remind you of how to do a question like this. So for the order of operations, remember that the first thing we do parentheses, P. So what I'll do is I'll go through each one to remind you. The quick acronym to think about is PEDMAS, P-E-D-M-A-S. So P is parentheses. So that would be right here. These are parentheses. What you see, if I do a little arrow, can show you exactly what the parentheses is. Right here we have a parentheses. Here, so we actually have two sets of parentheses. That means we have to do first what's inside of these sets of parentheses. So for remembering, if it helps, parentheses look like this. E is for exponent, and that's this little number right here, the small 2. So if we have a number like 10, and then we have it to a small 2, this means to the power of 2. And that means you multiply whatever number it is 2 times. So we're not going to do 10 times 2. Instead, we do 10. We'll do 10 times 10, right? 10 2 times. If that were 10 to the power of 3, it would be 10 times 10 times 10, 3 times. But here it's to the power of 2, so that would be 100. Then we have division, right? Pretty simple. Division comes next. After division, M for multiplication. So put this on here to remind you, division, and then we do multiplication. And then A is for addition, which is plus, and S is for subtraction, which is minus. So this is the order we do things for in a math question, so that what you have to do first. Now, if there's no P, if there's no parentheses or no exponent, you can move right on to division. But here we have all of it. So first we have the parentheses, so we have to do these first. So let's do what's in the first parentheses. It's just 12 minus 2, so that's not going to be too bad. 12 minus 2, easy, it's 10. We have a little exponent there, but let's not do that yet because we need to do the parentheses first. So that means we have to do what's in the second set of parentheses before we can continue on with the math. So we have 16 minus 12 divided by 3. Now in this parentheses, we have a minus and a division. We have to do that division first. So even within the parentheses, you still need to do division before you would do the subtraction. So 12 divided by 3, you have to do that first before you can subtract it from 16. So 12 divided by 3, let's do that first. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now you can do 16 minus 4. Okay, so you have that 16 minus 4. And that means that second part of the equation then will be 12. So right now we are at 10 to the power of 2 plus 12 is what's left. So now we can do the exponent. Now we have that little 2. Now that we finished everything in the parentheses, we can do the exponent. As we know, 10 to the power of 2, as I showed you over on the other side, that's 10 times 10, which then is 100. So we have 100 plus 12. So your answer then is just simply 112. And that's it. That's would be your final answer. And let me know if you have any questions.